Alright, today on William's Adventures, I want to show you what I've been doing for the Dagorhir Belegarth Group that I'm in. It's the Pirates of Purgatory here in the Kansas City area. And I've been missing doing archery because I don't have a bow because I snapped it at the one of the last Dagorhir battles I went to, so I haven't had a bow. So I used I'll put the link in the description of the channel I followed as a tutorial, I guess, to make a PVC bow. So let me flip the camera around and show you what I got going on here. And this is by no means perfect. So here's the tip. It is 50 inches long, made out of 3/4 inch PVC. And as you can tell, there's a slight curve to it, going from one end to the other. And there's a curve like this, the way I want it, but I still need to probably do some slight modifications. But the bow tapers down here, it was flattened, it curves out, it was semi-flat going the other direction, and then runs a taper, you can see it here, going from here down to the handle. It rounds out more because I flattened that out. And then the hand grip here, I flattened out so it'd be more comfortable in my hand. And then it goes back to tapering all the way to this end. And then it bulges here the wrong direction. I still need to probably do a little bit of minor work here. And then it goes back into a flat tip up here, which I haven't notched, I haven't grooved, I haven't done anything with. But that's my PVC bow, which I made. And I don't know the poundage of it. I haven't even got the string for it. So I haven't even... Yeah, this is the point I've gotten to, is I have a roughly crafted bow. I need to do some minor tweaks to it to get it the way I want it. Because this curve in it, as you can see down here, I don't like, because there's a warp in it, and I want to get that warp out. This way it flies true, or shoots straighter than it should. You see that it's really rough right there. But that's one of the projects I've been working on for that. And I'll put a link down to the group in the description, which you can join us every Sunday from like 4 to 7 at Hill Park in Independence, Missouri. But there you go. That's the bow I made. I don't know how well it'll work, and like I said, there's a little bit more refinement I want to do to it.